Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.5 question number 8. Now question is, the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4. Verify this statement with the help of some examples. First of all, what is the meaning of consecutive odd numbers, right? Suppose we are taking odd numbers, that is 1. Odd numbers are those numbers which is not divisible by 2. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And what are consecutive odd numbers? Consecutive odd numbers means, suppose we have taken 1. The next number will be 1 plus 2, that is 3. And the next number will be 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. These are consecutive odd numbers. Next number is 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. These are consecutive odd numbers. This is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, right? First of all, we are writing the consecutive odd numbers. It is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, etc. Right? Now, the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4. If we add two consecutive numbers, suppose you have taken 1 and 3, right? That is 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And here you see that 4 is divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4, that is equal to 1. It is divisible, right? Next number I am taking 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 is also divisible by 4, right? That is 4 to the 8. Next number I am taking 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. And 12 divided by 4 is also divisible. 4 to the 12. Next number I am taking 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9. And we are getting 7 plus 9, 16. 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 and getting as result as 4. Then you see all these numbers are divisible. Hence, we can say that the statement is true that the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4. We take another example like 9 plus 11. 9 plus 11. What we are getting? 9 plus 11 is equal to 20. And you see 20 is also divisible by 4, that is 4 5 is 20. In all these cases you see that the statement is true. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4, and we have verified that this statement is true for 5 examples. Okay, this is the solution of question number 8.